In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a blog post from Blogger. Maybe you've published a post with outdated information, or you simply want to clean up your blog and remove something that no longer fits. Whatever your reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can confidently delete a post from your Blogger dashboard. First, you'll need to go to your Blogger dashboard. Open your web browser and sign into your Blogger account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard area. On the left side, you'll see a list of your blogs if you have more than one. Click on the blog that contains the post you want to delete. This will open the dashboard specifically for that blog. When you're in the blog dashboard, you should automatically land on the post section. By default, the center of the screen will display a list of all your blog posts. These might be sorted by date, with the most recent ones at the top. If you don't see the list, just look on the left-hand menu for the word Posts and click it to make sure you're in the right place. Take a moment to scan through the titles so you can identify the exact post you want to remove. Next, move your mouse over the post you want to delete. As you hover over that row, you'll notice some small icons appear, usually to the right of the post title. One of these icons looks like a bin or trash can. That's the delete option. Carefully make sure you're hovering over the correct post, then click on the bin icon. This tells Blogger that you intend to remove that specific post. After you click the bin icon, a confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm that you really want to delete the post. This is an important step because once you confirm, that post will be moved out of your main list. When you see the confirmation, click on the option that says bin post. Blogger will then remove the post from your visible list of published posts, and that's it. You've successfully deleted a blog post from Blogger by going to your dashboard, finding your posts, hovering over the one you want to remove, and confirming with the bin post option.